Hi everyone, we're adding our finishing touches to our Stone Tower extension on campus this fall. Here you can get your favorite order from Stone Tower. Mine personally is an iced caramel latte, but there's a lot of options so you can get anything you want.
Stone Tower looks like it's going to be so nice this year. I heard there's some renovations in the caf too. Let's go check it out.
All right, so here is the dining hall where students will eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So as students come in, they will notice that we have new furniture. If you notice, we also have brand new flooring. So we've got flooring on one part and then we've got carpet on one. So we really want to give a shout out to our Board of Trustees for helping us make this possible.
Oh, have you been in the Bobcat Den?
In the Bobcat Den, we got new paint, fresh carpets, and all new merchandise.
Our last upgrade to our school is the social hall where we have new floors and also paint.